Most people think becoming rich starts with millions. But what if I told you everything changes after your first $10,000? Not $100,000, not a million, just $10,000. And if you understand this rule, you can completely change your financial life. Right now, most people are stuck in a loop. They earn money, they spend money, and then they repeat the same cycle every month. No savings, no investments. And at the end of the month, nothing left. That's exactly why most people never build real wealth. But here's the truth. The first $10,000 is the hardest and also the most important because once you reach that point, money starts working for you instead of against you. Let's break it down step by step. Phase 1, from zero to $1,000. If you're starting from zero, your goal is not investing. Your goal is survival and control. You need to cut unnecessary expenses, stop wasting money, and start saving aggressively. This phase is not about being smart. It's about being disciplined. No shortcuts, no excuses. Now comes phase 2, from $1,000 to $5,000. This is where things start to change. You have a little money now, but not enough to feel secure. So what should you do? Start learning. Learn about investing. Learn high-income skills. And most importantly, find ways to increase your income. Because saving alone will not make you rich. This is also the phase where most people give up. Way by way, because results are slow, but if you stay consistent, this is where your life starts changing. Now, phase 3, from $5,000 to $10,000. This is the turning point. At this stage, your mindset begins to shift. You stop thinking like a spender and start thinking like an investor. You become more confident. You understand money better, and you stop making stupid financial decisions. For the first time, you feel in control of your life. And then you hit $10,000. This is where everything changes. Now your money can actually grow. If you invest wisely, even a simple 10% return can make you $1,000. That's not small anymore. That's real money. This is where compounding begins to work in your favor. Your money makes money, and that money makes even more money. This is the exact point where most rich people separate from everyone else because they don't just save money, they multiply it. And the biggest difference, it's not luck, it's mindset. Poor people ask, what can I buy? Rich people ask, where should I invest? That one question can change your entire life. So now the question is, are you still stuck in the survival phase? Or are you ready to build your first $10,000? Because once you reach that number, your life will never be the same. Comment 10K if you're starting today. And don't forget to subscribe for more powerful money strategies.